In this video, let's learn how you can create your BT Box Office account. BT Box Office is a sports channel or a pay-per-view channel from where you can watch all of your favorite sports live and online. If you also want to create your account, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now first, let's head over to the website of BT Box Office, which is bt.com. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to the website. Now to create your account, you can just hover over the option which is My BT, and you can see this option of sign up. So just click on the sign up button. Now it's going to give you two choices. Either you want to create your own account and be the account holder. If not, you can also manage someone else's account by clicking on I want to be an account manager. So choose the option depending upon you. And in the next step, you need to just fill in these details. So firstly, you'll need to start off by typing in your BT account number. If you don't have this number, you can click on this link. And from here, you can recover your account or create your BT ID by filling in these details such as your phone number and your postal code. Once you have that number, you can type it in. And in the next step, type in your title. So select your title, type in your first name, type in your last name, and then select your date of birth. Make sure that all of these information is correct. And once you fill in these information, click on next. And in the next few steps, you need to validate your account by verifying your identity. And once you fill in all these information, your account of BT Box Office will be successfully created. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.